Let's go.
You've been lied to about what's possible in healing. Imagine losing part of your brain or even your heart and growing it back perfectly. Sounds impossible, right? Meet the axolotl, the adorable Mexican salamander that defies biology. Unlike a mammal, axolotls can regenerate not just limbs, but also complex tissues like their spinal cord, heart, and even large portions of their brain. Scientists have studied them for over a century, but here's the twist. When an axolotl's heart is injured, it doesn't scar. It rebuilds, cell by cell, as if nothing happened. And if its brain is damaged, new neurons grow, restoring memory and function. But why does this matter? Because unlocking the axolotl's secret could revolutionize human medicine. Imagine a world where stroke, heart attack, or traumatic injury aren't permanent. The axolotl holds the genetic blueprint for regeneration, something humans lost millions of years ago. Researchers are racing to translate these secrets into therapies. So could you one day regrow a lost part of yourself? What if I told you there's an animal that can survive outer space? No suit, no oxygen, no problem? Meet the tardigrade, also known as the water bear. These microscopic creatures have baffled scientists for decades. They've survived boiling, freezing, radiation, even the vacuum of space, something no other animal can do. But here's the twist. You've been lied to about what it takes to live in space. It's not just about strength, it's about adaptation. Tardigrades have a secret weapon, cryptobiosis. When threatened, they dry themselves out and curl into a tiny ball, suspending all biological activity. Their DNA gets coated in protective proteins, preventing damage from cosmic rays and dehydration. Even after years in this state, a single drop of water brings them back to life. Imagine if humans could do the same. Scientists are now studying tardigrades to unlock new ways to preserve organs, create radiation-proof materials, and maybe, just maybe, help us survive on other planets. You've been lied to about the most dangerous animals because the real explosive expert is barely the size of your fingernail. Meet the bombardier beetle, an insect with a defense mechanism so intense, scientists once thought it was impossible. Here's the wild part. When threatened, this beetle mixes two harmless chemicals, hydroquinone and hydrogen peroxide, inside its abdomen. But here's the twist. It doesn't just mix them. The beetle has specialized chambers lined with catalytic enzymes. When danger strikes, the chemicals are forced together, triggering a reaction that instantly heats them to nearly 100 degrees Celsius boiling point. In less than a second, the beetle fires this boiling, noxious spray out of its rear with a loud popping sound. The spray is so hot and caustic it can burn and blind would-be predators. Even more mind-blowing, the beetle can aim its chemical cannon in nearly any direction, making it almost untouchable. So next time you see a tiny beetle, remember, it may be packing serious heat. Want to discover more insane animal superpowers? Follow for more secrets, and comment which animal you want next. You've been lied to about the toughest insect on Earth. It's not the cockroach. Meet the weta, a cricket-like creature from New Zealand that can survive radiation levels that would obliterate almost any other animal. But how does this unassuming insect pull off such a mind-blowing feat? The weta's cells repair DNA faster than you can blink. When hit by intense radiation, most animals suffer deadly mutations, but the weta's unique enzymes leap into action, fixing broken DNA strands before they can cause harm. Here's the twist. Scientists discovered that weta can withstand doses of radiation greater than those used in nuclear disasters, making them living testaments to biological resilience. Why does this matter? Researchers believe unlocking the weta's secrets could revolutionize cancer treatments, help astronauts survive cosmic rays, or even protect crops from nuclear fallout. Imagine a world where humans borrow these genes to heal faster or resist radiation. Sound impossible? The weta proves it's not. Think cockroaches are the ultimate survivors? Think again. Comment your wildest survival theory below and follow for more mind-bending science. You've been lied to about what it means to live forever. Meet the immortal jellyfish, a creature smaller than your pinky nail that can literally reverse its own aging. Sounds impossible, right? Here's where it gets wild. When faced with stress, starvation, or injury, the immortal jellyfish doesn't just heal, it transforms. It reverts all its adult cells back into their earliest youthful state, basically becoming a baby jellyfish again. Imagine if you, as an adult, could turn back into a toddler every time you got sick. Scientists call this process transdifferentiation, and it's unlike anything seen in most animals. But here's the twist. This isn't just a one-time trick. The immortal jellyfish can repeat this cycle over and over, dodging death in a way no mammal can. While it can still be eaten or fall victim to disease, if left alone, it could theoretically live forever. Researchers are racing to uncover how it pulls off this biological magic. Could this hold the key to reversing human aging? Follow for more secrets hidden beneath the waves, and comment, would you want to live forever if you could?